Could these simple gadgets be the missing pieces in your kitchen puzzle? Stick around as we reveal items from Amazon that might just become your new best friends in cooking. Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. In this video, we'll explore 15 must-have kitchen gadgets available on Amazon this month. These tools will save you time, enhance your cooking skills, and make meal prep a breeze. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome kitchen tips. Let's go. COSPRO Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The COSPRO Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set brings effortless seasoning to your kitchen with a simple one-handed operation. Just press a button to grind your favorite spices while keeping your other hand-free for cooking. Unlike traditional battery-powered models, this set features innovative wireless charging, ensuring consistent use without interruptions. The intelligent charging system extends the grinder's lifespan by up to 10 times. With 5 adjustable coarseness levels, you can switch between fine and coarse textures, perfect for different dishes. The durable ceramic grinding head resists corrosion, making it ideal for long-term use. Designed with a sleek stainless steel body, this grinder is easy to refill, clean, and maintain. Whether for home use, special occasions, or gifting, this modern and efficient spice mill set is a must-have for any kitchen. Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker Electric. The Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker is a kitchen essential for anyone who loves eggs in different styles. With a 6-egg capacity, it quickly prepares soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs faster than traditional boiling methods. The included poaching and omelet trays let you whip up a variety of breakfast dishes with ease. Compact and lightweight, this cooker is perfect for dorms, camping, or small kitchens. Cleanup is hassle-free with its detachable lid, tray, and accessories. A built-in ready buzzer signals when your eggs are done, so there's no guesswork. The package also includes a measuring cup with a hole puncher and a recipe guide for added convenience. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or preparing deviled eggs for a party, this egg cooker delivers consistent results every time. Dash SmartStore TM Deluxe Stirring Popcorn Maker. Enjoy theater-style popcorn at home with the Dash SmartStore Deluxe Stirring Popcorn Maker. With a 24-cup capacity, it's perfect for movie nights or gatherings. The built-in stirring bar ensures even popping, while the butter-melting tray adds flavor as your kernels cook. Designed for easy storage, the base nests inside the bowl, and a lid keeps leftovers fresh. The lid also doubles as a measuring cup, making portioning effortless. Simply add oil, kernels, and press the power button for quick, fluffy popcorn. Its 850W power ensures fast popping with minimal unpopped kernels. Whether you love classic buttered popcorn or experimenting with flavors, this popcorn maker delivers delicious results in minutes. Compact, easy to clean, and user-friendly, it's a must-have for any snack lover. Dash Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. Create thick, fluffy Belgian waffles at home in minutes with the Dash Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. Featuring an advanced ceramic non-stick coating, it releases waffles cleanly without sticking. Its quick setup means you just plug it in and start cooking, perfect for busy mornings. The cool touch handle allows you to flip the waffle maker for even batter distribution, ensuring a crisp exterior and soft interior. Compact and easy to store, it's great for any kitchen. Whether you prefer classic waffles or experimenting with new toppings, this waffle maker delivers consistent golden brown results every time. It also comes with a recipe guide for inspiration. If you love homemade waffles without the mess, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine. The Sailnovo Pasta Maker lets you craft fresh, homemade pasta with ease. Made from food-grade materials, it ensures safe and delicious pasta without metallic or plastic odors. With 9 adjustable thickness settings, you can roll dough to your preferred consistency, from thick lasagna sheets to delicate dumpling skins. The dual-width cutter allows you to create spaghetti or fettuccine, catering to all your pasta cravings. Unlike electric machines, this manual pasta maker offers full control over the process. Cleanup is simple, just use a brush or wooden stick to remove excess dough. Perfect for home cooks and pasta enthusiasts, it makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys homemade Italian cuisine. Durable, easy to use, and versatile, this pasta maker is a must-have for your kitchen. SUPCOOKI Electric Citrus Juicer. The SUPCOOKI Electric Citrus Juicer makes fresh juice effortless with its rechargeable, hands-free design. Simply place your citrus half on the cone, tap the touch button, and enjoy mess-free juice extraction. It works with lemons, oranges, grapefruits, and more, squeezing out every drop while keeping seeds and pulp separate. With a 1300 ml battery, you can juice up to 50 fruits on a single charge, perfect for home, travel, or camping. Cleaning is simple with removable dishwasher-safe parts and an included brush. The 200 ml juice reservoir ensures a quick pour for cocktails, dips, or a morning boost. Made from BPA-free materials, it guarantees safe, healthy juice every time. If you're looking for convenience, efficiency, and portability in a citrus juicer, this one is a game changer. House Gem Mug Warmer. Keep your coffee at the perfect temperature with the House Gem Mug Warmer, offering 3 heat levels, 176 degree, 150 degree, and 130 degree. It ensures your drink stays just right. The large 5.2-inch heating panel fits most mugs, even those with a non-flat bottom. A 2 to 12-hour timer and auto shut-off feature provide safety and convenience, while the waterproof heating plate makes cleaning easy. LED indicators prevent accidental burns, and the UL certification guarantees quality. Whether you're working at your desk or relaxing at home, this mug warmer is a must-have for coffee lovers. It also makes an excellent gift for holidays and special occasions. Say goodbye to cold coffee and enjoy every sip at your preferred temperature. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. The Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer makes healthy cooking easy with its spacious, dual-layer design. Steam vegetables, fish, tofu, or rice all at once without mixing flavors. Its user-friendly steaming guide ensures perfect results every time. The stackable baskets and removable base make cleanup effortless, and the clear, water level indicator takes the guesswork out of refilling. Auto shut-off and boil-dry protection add a layer of safety, preventing overheating. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking a quick dinner, this steamer delivers flavorful, nutritious meals with minimal effort. Its compact, easy-to-store design makes it ideal for any kitchen. If you want a hassle-free way to cook delicious, wholesome food, this food steamer is a must-have. Gautye Steam Cleaner. The Gautye Steam Cleaner delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning for your home. With 1500 W of power and 3-bar pressure, it generates high-temperature steam, 212 degrees Celsius, to remove dirt, grease, and grime with ease. The 3-level adjustable steam control and 1600 ml water tank allow extended cleaning without constant refills. Equipped with a 158-inch reach, it tackles everything from tile grout to upholstery. The durable ABS body and transparent water tank ensure reliability, while an extensive set of accessories, including brushes, an extension rod, and microfiber pads, enhance versatility. Whether deep cleaning bathrooms, floors, furniture, or even cars, this steam cleaner is a powerful all-in-one solution. Compact and portable, it's perfect for any home looking for efficient, chemical-free cleaning. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Enjoy hot, homemade breakfast sandwiches in just 5 minutes with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Skip the drive-thru and customize your meal with fresh ingredients. Choose your bread, eggs, cheese, and meat for a delicious, on-the-go meal. With 4 simple steps, breakfast has never been easier. Its non-stick, PFAS-free surfaces ensure a quick cleanup, and all removable parts are dishwasher-safe. Perfect for busy mornings, this compact device is a must-have for students, professionals, or anyone craving a fast, satisfying meal. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this sandwich maker turns everyday mornings into a gourmet experience. Topzee Blender for Smoothies. The Topzee blender is a powerhouse for smoothie lovers, featuring a 1000 W motor, max $1,200, that effortlessly crushes ice and blends ingredients into a smooth, creamy texture. The 24 portable cup is perfect for on-the-go use, making it easy to enjoy fresh juices, milkshakes, and even baby food. Its 6 stainless steel blades ensure efficient blending for everything from sauces to frozen drinks. Plus, cleanup is hassle-free, with dishwasher-safe cups and lids. Designed for an active lifestyle, this blender is a great companion for workouts or outdoor adventures. With a 3-year machine service and a 5-year accessory warranty, Topzee ensures long-term reliability. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance blender with easy maintenance, this one is a solid pick. COSORI Air Fryer. The COSORI Air Fryer takes home cooking to the next level with TurboBlaze technology, delivering a powerful 3,600 RPM fan. Speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Celsius for extra crispy results. With advanced airflow control, it ensures even cooking for fries, chicken, and more, using up to 95% less oil. Its spacious 6-quart basket is ideal for family meals, while the whisper quiet operation, under 53 dB, keeps your kitchen peaceful. The 5-speed fan and precise temperature settings allow professional-level versatility in a single appliance. Plus, it cooks faster than traditional methods, making weeknight meals quick and effortless. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or reheating, this sleek, high-performance air fryer offers healthier cooking without compromising on flavor or texture. Mecity 2-Slice Toaster. Touchscreen. The Mecity 2-Slice Toaster combines smart technology with everyday convenience. Its 4.4-inch touchscreen lets you easily select from 6 browning levels and various bread types, ensuring perfect toast every time. Engineered for even heating, it delivers consistent results without burnt edges. The stainless steel body, both sleek and durable, elevates your kitchen aesthetics while providing long-lasting performance. A removable crumb tray makes cleanup effortless, and the non-stick toasting slots add to its convenience. Whether you're toasting classic white bread, bagels, or artisanal slices, this toaster ensures a crispy, golden finish with just a touch. If you're looking for a modern upgrade with intuitive controls, the Mecity Smart Toaster is a must-have. Mecity Gooseneck Pour-Over Kettle. Designed for precision, the Mecity Gooseneck Kettle is a dream for coffee and tea lovers. Its elongated spout provides a steady pour, perfect for achieving a balanced, flavorful brew. The intuitive touch controls allow temperature adjustments from 122 degrees Celsius to 212 degrees Celsius, with a high-resolution LCD displaying real-time readings. A 1200 W heating element ensures quick boiling in just 3 to 5 minutes, ideal for busy mornings. The 4-hour keep warm function maintains water at your desired temperature, while safety features like auto shutoff and boil dry protection add peace of mind. With its sleek, modern design, this kettle isn't just functional, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. If you're serious about pour-over brewing, this kettle delivers precision, speed, and convenience. Mecity Coffee Maker 3-in-1. Versatile and compact, the Mecity 3-in-1 Coffee Maker lets you brew coffee pods, ground coffee, and even loose-leaf tea all in one machine. Its smart flow system delivers precise brewing for 6, 8, or 10 Oz cups in just 60 to 100 seconds. The 50 Oz water reservoir allows for multiple brews before refilling, making it perfect for daily use. At just 6.3 inches wide, it fits seamlessly on any countertop and is even portable for travel. The BPA-free components, removable filter basket, and drip tray ensure easy cleaning. Plus, the built-in Descal mode keeps it running efficiently. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a tea lover, this space-saving brewer offers convenience and quality with every cup. These gadgets cover every aspect of kitchen life, from meal prep and cooking to beverage brewing and cleaning. Whether it's whipping up a quick breakfast, blending smoothies, making fresh pasta, or keeping your kitchen spotless, there's something here for everyone. Which of these gadgets would be your new kitchen companion? Drop your must-have gadgets in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome kitchen tips, and check the description for product links. Happy cooking!